My name is Yasin, and I'm an ICT engineer. I'm a web developer, programmer, designer, developer, even mobile apps. I'm also working on a lot of cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and a lot of computer science things. I'm also an educator from Google, Microsoft, and I was also teaching in a lot of schools before. Tell me about yourself. Maybe your name, how old are you, what are your hobbies, something in general. Let's go.
Um, my name is Janine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 10.
Okay, great.
I like making slime.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Slimes like the one with that comes using the bottle or something, or just like all the way from the scratch. How do you make slimes?
like making it and buying slime.
Oh wow, cool. And
And uh, I
uh,
like
okay.
watching YouTube and watching TikTok.
Oh, watching TikTok. Oh, so you or do you watch TikTok? Good. Okay, cool. So, um, how do I pronounce your name? How should I say it?
Janine.
Jenin, right? Jenin, is it right?
Yeah, it's Janine.
Janin. All right. So, Janin, do you think, are you ready by the trial? There are some rules you need to follow. Step number one, if you have any question, you need to ask me. Step number two, if am I going too fast or too slow, you need to tell me about that too. Okay. Step number three, you're not supposed to worry about any software. You're not supposed to worry about any uh, code that I will be doing. Basically, you shouldn't be worry about anything today at all. Good?
Good.
Good. And the most important thing for you would be, do you have any experience with programming?
Not really.
That's even more better because today I'll just show you about introduction and overview about web development. Okay, and then later after the trial, you're gonna tell me whether you like it or not. Sounds good?
Okay.
So show me a thumbs up sign if everything is ready and everything is good. Cool. And make sure you keep talking with me, okay? So we make this lesson more interactive. Other than you're gonna be quiet the whole time, it doesn't look really good. So make sure you keep talking with me, pass me questions, tell me cool, good, and show me the thumbs up and thumbs down sign. So, Jenan, if you can see the whiteboard, it's a complete white screen. I close my camera for an explanation, but you keep it open so I can talk with you. Uh, if you can see the whiteboard that I have here in the front of me, and if you can hear me well, show me a thumbs up sign. That's pretty good. Great. Now, Janan, let's just assume um, about the world of computer science, and let's take an example. Before we move forward, I'm just gonna ask you a very simple question. I just want to know about what goes in your mind. So tell me something that you think and you know, not something from the books or school. So Jen, what do you think? What is computer science
It's computers.
and science?
Yeah.
No, like what do you think? What should be computer science be about? Gaming, picture, cartoons, videos?
Um,
It could be anything.
everything.
Everything. Okay, yeah, basically, yeah, and yeah, you're right. Everything. Computer science is like going places. Now, I'm gonna take an example. When people learn coding or any programming thing, I believe my students should understand about 100% why they are learning programming language. Okay,
Okay.
so let us say that's your web page you're gonna build up. Okay,
Okay.
and I'm gonna name this here as Jay's screen. Good.
Good.
Wow, you're being so interactive. I like that thing. Be with me like that. Just keep saying me good. Okay, cool. Thumbs up and thumbs down sign. Now, tell me, Jenin, what would you like to say on your screen? Any?
Um,
Mm-hmm.
hello.
Okay, you want to say hello? I'll say Jay says hello. Okay.
Okay.
So, what do you think, Janan? What this language is about? What language is it? Let's make it
It
very simple. Mm-hmm.
it it's
Yes.
English.
Right. You are right. This is English. Now, people around the world, there are so many countries, so many places, continents. They all speak different language. Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Russian, French, Spanish. Tell me more. Give me more example of languages do you know? I'm
Um,
people don't say okay. Not programming around the people. All right, let's say English, Arabic. Any idea of more?
no.
But there are so many languages around the world, and there are some people who even speak more than one. Okay, and even me, look at me, I speak programming language. There are some people who speak more than one or two language, and just like that, when it comes for computer, computers are there all around the world, and all these computer, no matter what kind of computer device it is, tablet or laptop or gaming control or something, if it is running on a computer side, it's running basically on one language inside for the memory. You know what language that is?
Um, no.
Any idea?
No.
That language is called binary. Have you ever heard of this word before?
No.
You know what this binary is about?
No.
Okay, I'll tell you. J says hello, and binary will be a set. Binary is basically binary is like a set of ones and zeros. So J says hello, and binary will it's gonna be all about 1010, and it can take up about hundreds of them. Good.
Good.
Now, do you know what binary is?
Um,
Somewhat. I'll tell
should
you. Binary is a
I
set. Yeah, binary is a sets of ones and zeros. It's just the whole language based on one and zero. So if you're saying, "Hi, I'm Jen, and I'm learning computer science," and binary it can take you about hundreds of ones and zeros. 10 10 10 11 1 0 0 0. It just classified things into bits, like one and zero. So, binary is too hard, too complicated, time consuming, and sometimes really frustrating. Is there any way out? Yes. Let's make it. Let's break this thing into more simple way. Janan, have you ever visited any country before? Maybe a trip or vacation, maybe somewhere
yes.
where people don't speak your language.
Um, yeah.
Don't say me you went to the computer land. Okay, now tell me about that place.
Um, it's in China.
China. So do you know how to speak Chinese?
Not that much.
Okay, let us say you don't know. Okay, just like me, I don't. I did study something, but not much because it was there in the university. So let's say you're in the middle town in China, in a very local town, and you want to buy let me think. Let me think. Ice cream. Okay.
Okay.
So what's your favorite flavor, by the way? Mine is vanilla with chocolate chip.
I don't really have a favorite, but
Really? Okay.
no.
Wow.
I like vanilla and strawberry.
Thank God you didn't say chocolate chip, then it will be cheating. Okay, vanilla and strawberry is good. Okay, so let's say you want to get a vanilla and strawberry from a very local town in China, ice cream, and the person who's selling you does not understand your language and doesn't know how to speak it. So, how are you going to get your ice cream, Janan? What do you think?
Um,
You're going to stay quiet?
Google Translate.
Oh wow, that's the thing. Exactly. I'm gonna wait. I was waiting for that word. Translate. Now, yes, you can use Google Translate, or you can find a tour guide. You can find someone who can help you to translate it, point out the ice cream. All this thing can come inside one idea. That's translate. Now, all the programming language, no matter what kind of they are, they act as a translator between computers and human. Okay, so the
Okay.
programming language act as a translator. I'm going to write here language as a translator between computers and human. Okay. So um, They help us to communicate with the computers, talk to them, get our work done. And there are so many programming languages around the world, not just one. And if, like, we have Java, C++, Lua, Python, JavaScript, Angular, it keeps on going, it never stops. So how do we know what language are we going to use? All these language have some specific property and some kind of function. So for web development, we will be using many language, but the most basic of them would be HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay,
Okay.
let me write a very simple code in JavaScript. Alert, hello. So, which one do you think is really simple for you? Alert, hello, or 10101010, maybe hundreds of them.
Alert. Hello.
Why is that?
So I don't have to waste my time writing one
Right.
zero zero
Yes.
0
Yeah, you're kind of smart now. Now, exactly, just like that, and you don't want to waste your time. It's simple, it's faster. So, that sums up everything. You want to build up your web page. You find out the programming language that will help you based on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Um, Most probably, you type a simple code that you understand or you have learned, and that code will go to the computer memory over there. Okay. Two things happen here. Don't need to worry about it. Finally, on your computer screen, you can see your code running. Looks good.
Looks good.
My drawing is super bad. I know, right? Now, but do you understand the whole thing?
Yes.
Okay, show me a thumbs up sign if everything was clear till here. Was everything good?
Yes.
Thumbs up sign. Thumbs down means nah. Thumbs up means yes. Okay, so should we go for the next step?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna start building up web pages. Now I'm gonna do a lot of coding, and I'll definitely use a simple editor tool. But you are not you don't worry about the typing any code. Okay, you don't worry about the software. Okay,
Okay.
Jenning. It's just for your idea about how easy, how simple by just spending some time of yours, you can create a cool web page if you understand everything. Good. So
Okay.
let's do it really quick. Have you ever wondered how easy it is to create a web page?
No.
It's so easy. I just created a folder. Tell me about what this web page should be about. Tell me.
Um.
I don't think so. That's a good name. Tell me something.
Uh.
Well, this is not a good name too. Uh, Something but else. Mm-hmm. Any idea? Anything?
Slime.
Slime. Okay, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna make a web page on slime. Finally, that's good. Uh, okay. Now don't worry about any codes, anything. Let me just close all these files here. Okay, okay. Cool. Now I'm gonna type code really quick, but you need to be with me. Just keep watching me. So I'm gonna start with the web page. I'm gonna write here doc type. I will explain you everything from basics, okay, Jen? Like step number one, level number one. You're gonna learn everything from very basic. So today you're not supposed to worry about anything. Good. You're just getting some ideas in general. Good.
Great.
Great. Thank you. Now take a look here. We're gonna build up a web page. And I'm gonna come down there. I will put the head and the title today is slime. I'm gonna keep it slimes. Okay. Uh, Close the head at the body. What do you mean by head and the body here? What do you think? What they should be about?
Um. I don't know.
I'll tell you. Head is like the top section of your page, while body is the main body content. Pretty simple. Home.html. Or I'm just gonna say slime.html. Done. Now, if you take a look at this folder, then do you see your web page is already built? Pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
You just need to put some content inside. So I'm just gonna write here. I'm gonna do it really quick. Don't worry. I'm gonna do it so quick. You're gonna have header. I'm gonna close the header. I'm gonna write inside this header h1 slimes and h2 by Jen. And wait, your spelling? I can get it from here. Just let me know if it is right.
Okay.
Is it right?
Yes, that's right.
Good. Uh, and I'm gonna write some section here. Now, by the way, I want to show you about how this looks. So let's take an example here. I'm gonna open your web page, and this is how it looks. Do you see how easily we did it? Your web page. It's kind of really simple now. By the way, we did it. By the way, what do you think? Looks good. Pretty simple, right? Within a few seconds, we built up your web page. We made it. We made sure it's running. We got the title, some headings too. Now, I think we need to add some more content. So I'm gonna go to Google, search for slimes, and on Wikipedia, so we can get a lot of content. Okay, to fill some content on your web page. So I'm gonna go to slime Wikipedia. Uh, oh, so what kind of slime you usually make?
I make all different kinds of slime.
Mm-hmm.
I make fluffy slime.
Okay,
I
let me just go with, yeah, like this one, right? Something like this.
no.
So I'm gonna use this paragraph. It doesn't matter. We're just getting some content. Okay, never matter. So we got some content here. Uh, I'm gonna say section. Uh, h2. Okay. Uh, all right. Now tell me about what different kind of slimes do you make? You were telling me about something.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
I make fluffy slime, cloud slime, clear slime,
My God, that's
stretchy.
fluffy and go slow. I don't know anything about slimes. So you make fluffy slimes, and what's the next one?
I make clear slime,
Clear.
fluff.
Okay.
I mean cloud slime.
Cloud or cloud? Is it right?
Yes,
Okay.
and then stretchy slime.
Stretchy. Okay.
Um, I make Orby slime.
Which one?
Orbeez. We got Orbeez in it.
No. How do you spell it? Tell me.
O
Mm-hmm.
B
Mm-hmm.
E
Mm-hmm.
E.
2E. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's how you spell it. I don't know.
Okay.
And then
Cool.
textured slime.
Textured slime. Wow, these things are so
And
cool.
then and then glow in the dark slime.
Uh, can I keep it just dark?
Um,
Okay. How do you spell it? Tell me. I'll type it. Let's go.
glow in the dark slime.
Oh, like the neon color ones, which you
Yes.
close the lights and you can see it. Oh, glow in dark slime. Okay. Glow in dark slime. Okay, I think that's will be pretty much it. I'm gonna write a field set here. Uh, legend types of slime. Um, mix.
I think you spelled fluffy wrong.
Did I? Oh, it's flappy. Oh, sorry. There's something. It's kind of cartoon thing. It was in my mind. Fluffy sign. Okay, I'm gonna close the legend here. Okay, cool. Now you'll see the effects here. I'm gonna close the field set. And one important thing. Let me just make it. Do you see how easily, after getting some kind of information about the web development skills, you can build your web page?
Yeah.
I'll show you. I'll show you the output. It's kind of more interesting to see that. Uh, Li. I'm just gonna copy this thing. Paste it. Okay, and don't worry about any code. I told you, right? You're not supposed to worry about any one of them. Okay,
Okay.
save it. Now let's take a web page look. So this was your web page before. Cool.
Cool.
Now this is your web page now. Let me just reload it. What do you think?
Good.
Cool, right? Looks getting better. Now I was thinking, it's just kind of really empty. There are no pictures. There's nothing. So let's just go so get some really good pictures for you. So I'm just gonna search for slime pictures. Okay. You tell me about which one do you like?
Um.
Let's go with the GIF one, the moving pictures. They are like something that you can actually feel more satisfied.
Okay.
What about this?
Mm, sure.
We have better ones. It's all okay. What about this? It's taking a lot of time to load, so it's never mind. What about this? Should we keep it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Alright.
so copy image address. I'm gonna come back here. We should keep that picture something between here. Oh, inside the section. That's really much better. Now take a look at your web page. What do you think? Cool.
Cool.
We can also get a video on YouTube. Do you have any special video you would like to? Do you watch on YouTube video? You said you like to watch YouTube.
No,
So
I don't watch
any
slime.
special thing? Okay, let me just search for it. I'm gonna write here slime making. Okay. Uh, I'll go with this one. Let's look easy, simple.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you two.
Good. We'll use this video. Okay. Um, I'm gonna go embed. Copy. Come back to your web page, and we will be saying setting that over here. So do you see how easily I'm getting so many things done on your web page?
Yes.
Cool, right? So 1,200. I will keep it about 600. Save it. I want to show you how it looks. Now, this is how your web page looks. 3, 2, 1, and go. What do you think? Cool.
Cool.
So you got the YouTube video playing on your very same web page. There you go.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you two easy, no fail ways to make slime for beginners. I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic fluffy slime, which I think is the most fun to play with, and also just a classic regular
Cool. Do you see how your YouTube is working on your very same web page? But do you think something is missing? I say it's some designs and stuff is missing. So should we get that? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go back over here and add some designs into it. Let me just connect a designing sheet to your web page. So I'm gonna come down. I'll say link relation. Don't worry about the codes.
Okay.
We'll be learning about everything, and you'll remember it too. 1 second. This is gonna be style text. Save it. Okay, good. Uh, let's save it here. Okay, so we need to get the background. So I'm just gonna say body, background image. I'll get in a background image for you. We'll get it from Google. URL and background size is gonna be cover. Okay, and margin I'm gonna set is gonna be 45 px. Text align all to center. Don't worry about any code thing or from here. Font family, I will just say comic sans ms. Good. Save it. Let's come back here. I'm gonna say slimes wallpaper. Maybe you can get a good wallpaper from here. Uh, hmm. What about this? Looks good?
And should
Or, or should we go with something else?
I like think you should swap
This one?
you know what? Yeah, the iPhone wallpaper,
Which one?
the one, the second one.
This one?
Yeah,
Okay. But it's I mean basically for you think this is basically like for mobile screen because you're gonna make it a web page, a bigger one. You can go with this kind of. What do you think? Good?
good.
Okay. Copy image address. Good. Come back to our code. I'll paste it here. Save it. Now I'm gonna come back here. That was your web page before, and this is your web page now. What do you think? Cool?
Cool.
Getting better, right? But you cannot see the text.
Yeah.
I know. So I can actually fix this thing. I'll come down here. I'll say field set. No, we have header definitely. Again, so for the header background color, I'm gonna keep it white. Color for the text is gonna be red. Padding will be 10px, while margin is gonna be 45px. And the border, is it too much coding for you today?
Yeah.
Don't worry, you're gonna learn about everything. I'm just gonna show you some ideas. Border color, we're gonna have border radius. Okay, wait, it's gonna be radius. Okay, and I'm gonna keep it about 80px and border style. I'm gonna keep it solid. I think pretty much it. Everything is covered up there. Opacity, I'm gonna keep it 80px, 80%. Good. Also, we have inside header h1 and inside header we have h2. So we're gonna keep it there, and font size for h1 would be 80px, and same thing for your header 2 would be 50px. Now I'll show you a web page. What do you think now? Looks good? Getting better? Cool. Now we're gonna use the same technique to do the rest of them. So I'll come down here. We have field set and legend and UL and LI. We all gonna use the same thing, just a different color and designs. So copy that thing, come back here, paste it. But this time, let's change the background color to pink and the color to white. Padding margin to just 15px, while padding to just 5px. Border color this time, let's keep it red. And border radius, let's keep it 50. Let's keep it 2. Opacity, 80. Good. I'll show you how it looks. And yes, one more thing. I want to come down here, say li float left. Now take a look. What do you think? How is it getting up? Cool?
Cool.
Getting better, right? We just need to put them in the right way. So I can just take this thing off from here. Save it. Let's see how it looks. How it looks now. Okay, that's good. And also, I was just thinking about the font family, the font size. So font size, I'm gonna keep it about 35px. Let's see how it looks. Looks good.
Good.
Let's make the text more darker. So I'm just gonna take out the opacity from there. Come back here. Looks much better now, right?
Yes.
Now we have just this paragraph over here. So Very simple. Section, follow the same pattern, but change everything. Copy that thing, paste it here. Now keep this one as red, this one as white, keep the border as yellow. The rest of the things remain same, but this one goes 45. Only the section H2 will be font size 50 px. Save it. Now take a look. What do you think? Cool?
Cool.
Do you think your website is looking better now? Do you see
Yeah.
how easily we build this whole thing? Cool?
Cool.
That's your whole webpage. Within a matter of a few minutes, we build it up.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you 2 easy, no-fail ways to make.
Okay, we stop here. Let me just add very simple JavaScript, nothing more, okay? But the JavaScript is definitely more, but I'm just gonna show you very simple of it. So it asks you for your name, prompt, and we'll say alert. Okay, now take a look at the web page. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. It's ask you for your name. So I'm gonna write, give me any name. Go ahead.
Um,
Any name. Give me any kind of name.
hi.
What?
Hi.
Hi, hi. How do you spell it now? Just hi, hi 2 times?
Yeah.
Hi, hi. Okay. Hello there. Hi, hi. Welcome to our webpage. And there you go. Cool. Do you see how that came up? Everything. You got some ideas, some points, some
Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you 2
a
easy.
YouTube video playing, a good paragraph, and a picture, and some conditional code working. So, Jinan, what do you think? Is learning web development will be interesting for you?
Yeah.
Do you think that? Will that be interesting?
Yeah.
And well, throughout the whole trial lesson, do you have any question you would like to ask me?
Yeah.
Was everything good?
Yeah.
You have any questions for me?
Yeah.
Anything you would like to ask? Well, how was the lesson? Like that? Like this?
Yeah.
Good. So you think are we good for now?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Good. No more questions, right?
Yeah.
Great. Come on, give me a high five. We are done. Well done. You did a good job. So I hope we'll see you sooner. Until then, take care of yourself.
Okay.
Goodbye. Bye bye. Goodbye.